Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas edition unboxing boots. So I got these very nice boots as a gift from my wish list. I know what it is, but I'm still excited to try them on for real. So I'm inviting you to do this together with me. Let me just show you the size of this package. Wait a second. So you can have the general idea what size are we approximately talking about. And by the way, how do you like my Christmas nails? I love them. So let's dig into this big boy. I'm so excited. Let's look inside. I love unboxing. We're talking about GIARO boots. Okay. These are perfect for Christmas and New Year's parties. Alright. Oh my God. Wow. Do you know now why I wear this outfit? Wow, these are simple. Amazing, look. Oh my God. Let's unzip them. Oh, these spikes are spiking. Okay. Some more protective papers. Can you believe this? Oh my God. Time to try them on to see how they fit. The moment of truth. Oh yes. Let's see. Oh no, there's something more inside. Just a second. Here they are. Oh my God. I love them so much. They're perfect for celebrating New Year's Eve. So now you know what I'll be wearing. Once again, wishing you a Merry Christmas and beautiful New Year celebrations. hopefully we're gonna be seeing each other more here on my channel with new content and new boots. If you want me to try on your gifts, your boots or whatever else, try to go to my wish list. And yeah, that's it. Thanks guys. Thank you so much to my fan for purchasing this beautiful gift for me. I appreciate it so much.